Reading for sign of Leo for the next, let's say, 2 weeks. So, what can Leos possibly expect in their love life? So, what's possibly coming for Leos in the coming weeks? What's be coming for Leos in the coming weeks and days? So, here we go. With Nine of Wands, I feel like you are resisting or you are not wanting to stay open to something from the past. I'm not saying you're quitting, but I feel like you are not completely open to the past. Okay, you are having your walls up, guards up. You feel wounded from the past. You feel wounded by the past person, if not just the past. I feel like you have your walls up and you will not let anyone in. It's like you are going through this phase where you are wanting to heal rather than be part of any sort of connection. So you are not really wanting to directly connect, but you do have intentions of moving forward in life. I don't see you waiting and dying there. I see you wanting to move forward, looking up for new possibilities in life. Okay, you're wanting to heal, darling, because you feel like there's nothing left for you to wait in the past. I'm not saying you're quitting or moving on. I'm just saying that you don't feel. Okay, that's different. I hope you understand that. So one card for Leo soul. One card for Leo's soulmate, please. One card for Leo's soulmate. Excuse the background music. That's my dog drinking water. So yeah. One card for Leo's soulmate. What are they up to? Your person has been very sneaky. Okay, for some of you, you could be connected with an air sign who's been very in and out of your life. This person has been hiding a lot of things from you. Currently, I feel like they are stalking you. Okay, this person might have taken something from you. This could be finances, something that was dear to you, or they were just hiding things from you. Could be either. So take what resonates. Okay. With Eight of Pentacles, this person has been very self-focused, very self-absorbed, I could say. Okay, and they were all about themselves, very selfish. Okay, so let's see one card for their energy towards you, one card for Leo soulmates energy towards Leo now. Leo soulmates energy towards Leo, please. I believe they are stalking you from a distance. If they are not communicating, they are still stalking you. If they are hiding something. Okay, their energy, they are wanting to come towards you, and they're going to come very fast. In terms of their energy and intention, I see this person waiting on you to take action, but I see them wanting to hurry back to you or wanting to rush back to you. Okay. So what are they possibly wanting to offer you now? One card. What's the Leo Summit possibly wanting to offer Leo? Ten of Cups. This person, if they come back, they are wanting to offer you a full commitment, family situation, happy endings. Okay, sounds crazy, right? But yes, this person, if is really genuinely wanting to offer you this, but they might not be wanting to say it out loud. Okay, this person is not good when it comes to words or when it comes to expressing emotions. Seven of Swords could also be that they hide from their own emotions that they have for you, feelings, emotions, whatever you call that. Okay, so give me one card for what's the current energy between the two of you. One card for what's the current energy going to be between Leo and their soulmate. What's the card for that, please? One card we have is the Sun card when Six of Wands. I believe that even if you are having your walls up, you are not completely open to them. In some which way, you are still waiting for their attention, and you will get their attention. Okay. So one card for Leo's intentions towards their soulmate, please. One card for Leo's intentions towards their soulmate. I believe that some of you are wanting to end this. You are so confused and done with that shit that you're wanting to end it. No kidding. I believe like you are not willing to take any sort of action towards this person, and you are going to hold back. Just like I told at the very start of the reading, that you are very much wanting to hold back and not wanting to take action, or wanting to keep your walls up, guards up, not wanting to let this person in. Some of you, Leo people, are wanting to end the connection. You might not know how to, but you have intentions of. Okay, because you're so done. It has been so draining and so confusing. Nine of Wands is a card where you feel drained and exhausted from being part of the connection. But your person is wanting to offer you something long term. That's their intention. I'm not saying they are gonna, I'm saying that's their intention. So let's take one card for their current feelings towards you. One card for Leo soulmates, current feelings for Leo, please. I believe I got the same energy last time. In terms of their feelings towards you, we have Three of Pentacles. They want to partner up. Okay, they are not wanting to let you go. They are wanting to, basically build on this connection. Let's give one more card for their current feelings towards Leo. Yeah, with the Lovers card, this person wants to choose you now. In the past, I feel like they were rejecting you or ignoring you, if not rejecting. Eight of Pentacles, they were very focused on their work life, on themselves. With Queen of Pentacles, they are wanting to nurture the situation. Now, this is a very positive read. I know they've been hiding a lot of things from you. You do not trust them, but I believe that they are genuinely wanting to fix it. Okay? So give me one card for where this connection is possibly moving forward. Where is this connection possibly moving forward for Leo and their soulmate from now until the end of the month? With Seven of Pentacles, I believe that you both are wanting to see where this connection can go. You both know that it has possibility of going full circle, but since the past you are kind of questioning it. Okay, now your past hasn't been good with this person. It has been very stagnant. So chances are it has possibilities of moving forward. But regarded, you both invest. If they are coming back and you don't take action, or you hold back, and if they come back and they do not speak what they truly want with you, then nothing is going to happen. Okay, someone should take action. Okay, so one card for your persons, and let's take one card for like their action towards you. What action are they wanting to take towards you? One card for what action is the Leo summit possible wanting to take towards Leo, please. I still feel like this person is not wanting to open up completely. They are still hiding things from you. Why is the High Priestess here? High Priestess is not a card for action. It's a card where someone doesn't want to speak up, holds back. This connection has the possibility of going forward, but it might take time. It might not happen in the month of May. It's going to take some time. Yeah, with Six of Pentacles. For some of you, this person, if in the past they rejected you, they had gone towards someone else. There could have been a third party. Okay, this person, even if he or she comes back, they are not wanting to speak about the past and where they were, what they were doing. They are not wanting to answer those questions. So I believe they are wanting to stay mum when it comes to their past. Okay, so one card for what's the Leo soulmate possibly wanting from Leos now. What's Leo soulmate possibly wanting from Leo now? With Nine of Cups, they want wish fulfillment with you. This person genuinely wants to reunite with you. Okay, so one card for what action are they wanting you to take towards them now? It's a very strong reading, but I'll be honest with you. I do not see it happening for the next 10 days. It might take longer because this person is not completely ready to open up. Okay, they are still hiding and holding back. So you can't expect things to move forward when this person is holding back and not wanting to speak up. You don't open your mouth, you don't get fed, darling. That's the rule. This person wants you to basically talk to them, open up to them, okay? Fight for their attention as well. This person wants you to basically get involved with them, okay? So let's take love message from your person now. Love message from Leo soulmate. I'm sorry if I took a little longer. Sometimes it takes time to shuffle the cards. One card for love message from Leo soulmate to Leo now. I'm afraid of rejection. So this person is very much afraid of rejection. Okay. I want to be with you for the rest of my life. So this person genuinely wants to be with you. I've also like possibly shown you that this person has intentions of going full circle with you, having a family situation with you. But the problem is this person does not know how to open up. Okay, they are very afraid of opening up because of the things that might you might ask like certain questions like regarding the past. I believe for many of you there was a third party involvement, and they are afraid of opening up to you now. So this was your reading for the sign of Leo for the next, let's take 15 days. So if you resonated, then please do hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and please keep coming back for regular readings. Thank you so much. Cheers.